We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as Tower of Babel. Tower of Babel. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as Tower of Babel. Tower of Babel in American English versus Tower of Babel in British English. Did you get it? Did you hear the difference? Of course you did. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.